Hello students, in this class we consider most important reactions in the phenol. Among them, one is the coal-base reaction. For this coal-base reaction, you take phenol. Starting one is phenol. Phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide. Phenol treated with sodium hydroxide forms sodium phenoxide. This one is phenol. Phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide. Sodium phenoxide is formed. Formed sodium phenoxide treated with carbon dioxide followed by acidification. Acidification, we get salicylic acid. This is the salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. This reaction is called coal-base reaction. Coal-base reaction means sodium phenoxide formed. Sodium phenoxide formed by the reaction of phenol and NaOH treated with carbon dioxide followed by acidification. Salicylic acid is formed. That is sodium phenoxide formed by the reaction with phenol and NaOH treated with carbon dioxide followed by acidification. Salicylic acid is formed. This reaction is called coal-base reaction. It is very important for the 2 marks. In most of the annual exam, they take either coal-base or Reimer-Tiemann reaction. You copy as it is, you definitely get the 2 marks. Next, you consider the Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Second one is the Reimer-Tiemann reaction. In this Reimer-Tiemann reaction, again phenol treated with chloroform, formula is CHCl3, and sodium hydroxide. That results in the formation of sodium salt of salicylaldehyde. First intermediate is formed. That intermediate formula is CHCl2. If you know the intermediate, you write this intermediate. Otherwise, directly write this into compound. Sodium salt of salicylaldehyde, that is ONaCHO. If you know the intermediate, you write this intermediate formula. Otherwise, directly consider sodium salt of salicylaldehyde. Definitely you get the complete marks. The sodium salt of salicylaldehyde, on acidification we get salicylaldehyde. This is OHCHO. This is salicylaldehyde. This is about the Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Reimer-Tiemann reaction means phenol treated with chloroform. CHCl3 means chloroform and sodium hydroxide. Sodium salt of salicylaldehyde. This is the structure. Sodium salt of the salicylaldehyde. If you know the intermediate structure, write the intermediate. Otherwise, directly you come to the structure of sodium salt of salicylaldehyde. That sodium salt of salicylaldehyde, on acidification, salicylaldehyde is formed. This is the salicylaldehyde structure. This is about the Reimer-Tiemann reaction. You practice both coal-base and Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Definitely you get any one of the question in your board exam. This is very important. Next, you consider one more important reaction. That is reaction of phenol with concentrated nitric acid. For this one, when phenol reacts with concentrated nitric acid, we get picric acid. Picric acid is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. This one is picric acid. Picric acid. For chemical name is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. When phenol treated with concentrated nitric acid, picric acid is formed. This is also one of the important question. Even they can consider for 1 mark chemical name of the picric acid is, that is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Similarly, oxidation of the phenol. Oxidation of the phenol, that is when phenol treated with sodium dichromate Na2Cr2O7H2SO4, or they can consider chromic acid. When phenol on oxidation with sodium dichromate, benzoquinone, this is the structure, benzoquinone. The name of the compound is benzoquinone. This is also most important one. Benzoquinone is formed. Then even for 1 mark they can consider for complete the reaction. Instead of sodium dichromate, when phenol is treated with zinc dust, then the product formed is benzene. Benzene is the product. When phenol treated with zinc dust, benzene is the product form. These two are the 1 mark questions. They can generally considered for complete the equation. Sodium dichromate, with sodium dichromate, benzoquinone. With the zinc dust, benzene is the product form. In the next class, you can consider other important questions.